Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is Jabin Ahmad Hajam, teacher, Middle School, Naidpura, Zone Kaimu, Kulgam, with another video today for my dear 5th grade students from textbook of English. And our topic is today a poem named Pied Piper of Hamelin, which has been written by Robert Browning. Dear students, this poem is just a part of a longer dramatic lyric written by Robert Browning. In this poem, there is a story about a beautiful town, Hamelin. So for understanding the poem, let us know about the story. Dear students, once a piper saves a beautiful town known as Hamelin from rat infestation. The people of Hamelin, overrun with rats, offered a bag of gold to the piper, who successfully makes the town to get rid of these rats. But when they refused to pay him back for his deed, he gets revenge by getting their children abducted in a cave after all the children followed him when he produced a new tune from his pipe. Then the mayor of the city and other people apologized before him and rewarded him by what they have promised him to give. Dear students, let us start to read the poem, and side by side I will make you understand its meaning too. So, let us start. Into the street the piper stepped, smiling first a little smile, as if he knew what magic slept in his quiet pipe the while, then like a musical adept. यानी कि जैसे ही बीन बजाने वाला शहर में दाखिल हुआ जो कि रंगारंग कपड़ों में मलबूस था, उसके सर पर लंबी टोपी और टोपी पे एक पर लगा हुआ था। उसकी नाक जो थी वो बहुत लंबी थी। वो मुस्कुराता हुआ शहर में दाखिल हुआ, जैसे कि वो जानता था कि उसके पास कोई ऐसा जादू तो है, एक माहिर मौसीकार की तरह। To below the pipe his lips he wrinkled, and green and blue his sharp eyes twinkled, like a candle flame where salt is sprinkled. And three shrill notes the pipe uttered, you heard as if an army muttered. बीन बजाने के लिए जैसे ही उसने अपने होंठों को गोल किया, यानी कि उसने जब बीन बजाना शुरू किया, उसके होंठों पर झुर्रियां पड़ गई। उसकी आंखें सब्ज, नीली और इतनी तेज थी जैसे कि मोमबत्ती पर छिड़के हुए नमक की तरह। इससे पहले कि उसने अपने बीन से 3 सुर निकाले ही थे, ऐसा लगा जैसे कि कोई फौज बड़बड़ाहट कर रही है। And the muttering grew to a grumbling, and the grumbling grew to a mighty rumbling, and out of the houses the rats came tumbling, great rats, small rats, lean rats, brawny rats, brown rats, black rats, grey rats, tawny rats, grey old pollarders, gay young fiskers. ये बड़बड़ाहट तेज होने लगी और तेज होने लगी और घरों से हर तरह के चूहे बाहर निकले। उनमें बड़े चूहे भी थे, छोटे चूहे बाहर निकले, दुबले पतले चूहे, कमजोर चूहे, हटे कट्टे चूहे यानी कि मजबूत चूहे, मुख्तलिफ रंगों के चूहे निकले, भूरे रंग के चूहे, काले रंग के चूहे, खाकी सफेद चूहे, बूढ़े चूहे और नौजवान चूहे, नाचने वाले चूहे। Fathers, mothers, uncles, cousins, cocking tails and pricking whiskers, families by tens and dozens, brothers, sisters, husbands and wives, followed the piper for their lives. From street to street, the piper advancing. जो चूहे पाइपर के पीछे निकले उनमें बाप भी थे, माएँ थी, चाचा, चाची, चचाजाद, कजिन, खालाजाद, अपनी मूंछों को ताव देते हुए, अपने दुम खड़ा किए हुए भाई निकले, बहन निकले, खावत बीवियां निकली और सारे के सारे चूहे जो थे वो बीन बजाने वाले के पीछे ऐसे उछलते कूदते निकले जैसे कि वो अपनी जिंदगी के लिए उसके पीछे जा रहे थे। And sit up for sit up they followed dancing until they came to the river Weser, wherein all plunged and perished, save one who, as stout as Julius Caesar, swam across and lived to carry, as the manuscript he cherished, to Ratland home his commentary. नाचते नाचते वो सारे के सारे चूहे, उनको बीन बजाने वाला ये जो पाइपर था वो दरियाए वेसर पर ले गया और वहां सब के सब डूब गए सिवाय एक चूहे के जो बहादुर निकला, जो बड़ा मजबूत निकला, दिलेर निकला, जूलियस सीजर की तरह। जूलियस सीजर कौन था? रोम का एक बादशाह, बहुत बहादुर बादशाह था। उसी की तरह एक चूहा दरिया को पार कर गया और बाद में उस चूहे ने उस चूहों की सरजमीन पर अपने साथ पेश आए वाक़े को, अपने साथ पेश आए किस्से को सुनाया। Now, dear students, there are different techniques which have been used in the poem. Let us have a look on first technique, that is rhyming words in the poem. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words which have got corresponding sounds and are used to produce the musical effect in the poem. These words are used at the end of lines in the poem. The rhyming words in the poem are smile, while, slept, adapt, wrinkled, sprinkled, twinkled, grumbling, rumbling, tumbling. Dear students, similarly, now you can write some other rhyming words from the poem on your own. Second technique which has been used in the poem, dear students, is simile. What is a simile? A simile is a poetic technique in which two unlike objects are compared with each other to express an equality using the words like or as. For example, he is as brave as a lion. She is beautiful like a moon. Rahim is strong like an iron. Dear students, in these sentences, the quality of being brave, beautiful, and strong are shown in higher degree by means of comparison using words like or as. Moving ahead, there are some textual questions regarding the poem. Question number 1. How does the poet describe the eyes of the piper? Its answer is, the poet describes the eyes of the piper as sharp, blue and green, twinkling like salt sprinkled on a candle flame. Question number 2. Who comes out of the houses? Its answer is, the rats of different shapes, colors, sizes and ages came out of the houses. Question number 3. Pick out the adjectives used to describe the rats in the poem. Answer is, great, small, lean, brawny, brown, black, grey, tawny and gay are the adjectives used in the poem to describe rats. Moving ahead, question number 4. What effect does the piper's music cause? The answer is, an army of rats came out of the house and followed the piper, dancing and tumbling. Question number 5. Who plunges into the river Weser? The answer is, all the rats except one plunged into the river Weser. Question number 6. Who is as stout as Julius Caesar? The answer is, one of the rats who swam across the river was as stout as Julius Caesar. Question number 7. Who narrates the commentary in the Rat Land Home? Dear students, the answer is, the rat who saved his life narrates the commentary in the Rat Land Home. Dear students, hope you will have understood the poem and what lesson we got from the poem. Dear students, we should keep our word or promise. This is the lesson. This is the moral of the poem. And with this, wish you all the best and many thanks for being